In primetime news this evening, cops in trouble. 3 JCF members arrested in the U.S. on drug-related charges.
Liberty at last. Man freed after 50 years without trial.
And speed it up. Justice Minister intensifies push for cases to move faster through the courts. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. And as usual, here's our feedback question.
Our question this evening: what is your opinion on the Queen continuing to be Jamaica's head of state?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.